Hello, this is a repair video for a Mr. Coffee Keurig K-Cup style single serve. I think it's a KG2B model for the lid. This lid right here, it was under some pressure as one of the cups didn't get pierced quite correctly, and trying to relieve pressure, the pin popped this way, and then the unit would not close. This right here, you take off this single screw from right there, and then these three screws, and the lid comes off. I then proceeded to take some pliers and push this pin back over so it would go into that recessed hole to repair it. And we'll see if it runs now. Well, we got the Keurig back together again. I will give it a cleaning. I should believe it's supposed to be done every 3 to 6 months, I think they said. Something like that. So we're going to fill this up with a little bit of vinegar here. This locks now, which is good because it didn't lock before. And we'll power it on and see what we get. Just a disclaimer, if you try opening up your Mr. Coffee and you break it, I'm not responsible. You're on your own. Kind of goes without saying. All right, let's see here. After all, they are just a bunch of plastic parts. Plastic don't last too long. Let's see if we working here. We're doing a lot better than we were before, I'll tell you that. Can't close the lid, it don't work. Oh, my favorite is instant kava. I put the hot water through and I add some kava low acid. Top didn't bust off. That's even better. It's hot. Beautiful. Alright, I think we're going to score that a win. And we got a bunch of junk that came out too. Definitely needed some cleaning. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope it helped out.